Hello guys, hope you all are fine. So today's in this video I will tell you how you can earn money from YouTube and how you can make much more money from YouTube. Watch my video till end. So let's started our video. Here I have my cell phone and I am open here Google Chrome and right there how to earn money from YouTube. Then I will enter it. Here I can see how to earn money on YouTube Google Spot. You can earn money on YouTube by applying for a Begin accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. You may also qualify to receive short bonus as part of YouTube Short Fund. Without being in the YouTube Partner Program, a few notes. We won't tell you what you can create on YouTube, but we do have a reason responsibility to do right by our viewers, creators, and advertisers. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money through YouTube. When in the YouTube Partner Program, we hold you to a higher standard. To make sure we're rewarding good creators, we review your channel before you're accepted into YouTube Partner Program. We accepted in the YouTube Partner Program. We also constantly review channels to make sure you meeting all our policies and guidelines. Channels do not need to be monetizing on YouTube to be eligible for the YouTube Shorts Fund. Creators in the YouTube Partner Program and channels that are a part of a multi-channel network MCN are still eligible. You may be liable to pay taxes on your earning from YouTube. Find out more below. Ways to make money in the YouTube Partner Program. You can make money on YouTube through the following features. Advertising revenue. Get ad revenue from display, overlay and video ads. Channel membership. Your members make reducing monthly payments in exchange for special perks that you offer. Merch shelf. Your fans can browse and buy official branded merchandise that showcased on your watch pages. Super chat and super stickers. Your fans pay to get their message highlighted in chat stream. YouTube Premium revenue. Get part of a YouTube Premium subscribers subscription fee when they watch your content. Each feature has its own set on eligibility requirements on top of subscribers and view count requirements. If our reviewers believe that your channel or video is not eligible, specific feature may not be available. These extra thresholds exist for the main reasons. The most important one is that we have to meet legal requirements in every area where the feature is available. Then, because we want to reward good creators, we need to make sure we have enough content on your channel. Generally, this content means we need more content to look at. Keep in mind that we constantly review channels to make sure your content is in line with our policy. Minimum eligibility requirements to turn on monetization features. Keep in mind that each feature has its requirements. Some features may not be available to you due to local legal requirements. When you've been accepted in YouTube Partner Program, you may get access to these monetization features. Requirements. There are some requirements. Requirements add revenue. Be at least 18 years old or have a legal guardian older than 18 years of age who can handle your payments via AdSense. Create content that meets our Advertiser friendly content guideline. Channel membership. Be at least 18-year-old. Have more than 1000 subscribers. Merch shelf. Be at least 18-year-old. Have more than 10,000 subscribers. Super chat and super stickers. Be at least 18-year-old. Live in country region where super chat is available. YouTube premium revenue. Create content watched by a viewer who is a YouTube premium subscriber. YouTube Short Fund. The YouTube Shorts Fund is a 100 million fund to reward creators for their dedication to making reactive original short that delight the YouTube community. Well, reach out to thousands of creators each month to tell them that they qualify for a short bonus from the fund. Requirement: short bonus be in one these countries region: Algeria, America, Algeria, Aruba, Australia, Austria, Bahrain, Belgium, like etc. Your YouTube earning and tax liability. Earning money on YouTube or receiving shorts bonus are a great way to be rewarded for good engaging content on the platform. Keep in mind that you may be liable to pay taxes to your country to residents on any income earned from your monetized videos on YouTube. Check with your local tax authorized for detailed guidance. So these there are some countries of which can be able for YouTube Short Fund. Their name is Croatia, Cyprus, Denmark, Egypt, Australia, Finland, France, French Guiana, French Polynesia, Georgia, Ghana, Greece, Guam, Honduras, Hong Kong, Hungary, Iceland, India, Indonesia, Iraq, Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Kuwait, Latvia, Libya, and there are some more countries with the names of Mexico, Montenegro, Morocco, Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nigeria, Norway, and Pakistan, Panama, Papua New Guinea. So, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Republic of Ireland, and some more with the names of Singapore, Serbia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Switzerland, Taiwan, Tanzania, Thailand, Tunisia, and uh, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, US, Virginia, Iceland.